Hi doll fans! Today we're going to unbox the Barbie Looks number 2. I saw these dolls back in May of 2021. I immediately told myself that, oh my gosh, I'm going to get each and every one of these dolls. The face sculptures are so unique, and the dolls are also looking quite fashionable in that basic black and white outfit. Barbie Looks dolls typically cost between 2,000 to 2,500. I got most of my Barbie Looks doll from the Bismo shop in their Facebook page. But for this particular doll, I already found this at Shopee. Pretty easy to unbox the Barbie Looks. You just have to open the top lid and pull out the entire packaging that comes inside the box. And you would see here how the doll is mounted on the back cover. So you would see that there are several plastic that's actually wrapped around the body of the doll. Her head is also mounted at the back of the cardboard. So you will see here the certificate that comes with the doll. Oh, here she is, the new face sculpt introduced by Mattel. It's called an Elle. I love the body that they assigned her. So it's a made-to-move curvy body. I think it fits her perfectly. I like her hair. It has some highlights, not exactly just black. So from at the edges, there are areas that actually looks brown. So it looks realistic. The outfit that she's wearing, the fabric reminds me of a bathing suit for some reason. And at the back, it's actually held together by a Velcro. Comes with a pair of silver boots. I think I'm really relieved that this is on a made-to-move body. I'm not really a fan of flat-footed dolls because it's pretty hard to find them a nice-looking pair of shoes. So apart from the certificate of authenticity, the doll also comes with a doll stand. So it's actually made of plastic. This reminds me of the quality of the BMR 1959 stands. So you just have to be careful. This is quite a brittle kind of plastic. It can easily break. So when you set it up, just be careful. Don't force it too much. It's a good thing that this is really designed for curvy Barbie, and it fits naturally to the doll. But don't force it, because again, it could snap easily. I find this doll really gorgeous for some reason. Maybe because she gives me like a vibe of a realistic person. You know, I really hope that Mattel will continue to create dolls like this. Did you like this video? I hope you follow me in my Instagram account, Parpiscopo, and of course, subscribe in my YouTube channel, The Doll Collector PH. Thank you for watching!